I was born where the worlds collide, not in the flashy fire of a volcano, but in the cold, crushing dark of the subduction zone. To you, it is a disaster. To me, it was a forge. My chemical formula is my lineage, sodium aluminum silicate. My soul began as a lattice of pure resilience.
Look at me then, a child of the blue schist facies. In this high-pressure cradle, I didn't grow toward the sun. I grew inward. I knit my crystals together in the dark, weaving a felted armor. I remember the weight of the world above, the precise PT conditions of my birth, where the temperature stayed low, but the gravity of the plates was absolute. I was a secret, ripening in the deep. By 22 million years, I was no longer a child. I was a warrior, armored in green. For eons, the earth tried to shear me, twist me, and fold me. This is the source of my legend. You measure minerals on the Mohs scale, and I sit at a respectable 6.5 to 7. I am hard, yes, harder than your steel. But hardness is a brittle virtue. Diamonds are harder than I am, but they shatter under a hammer. I do not shatter. I have toughness. My interlocking fibers absorb the blow and bend the energy. Look at my lattice. Unlike the perfect cubes of pyrite or the flashy prisms of quartz, my monoclinic symmetry is a tangled, unbreakable forest. While I was being squeezed, I was also moving. A journey of inches per century. I was being exhaled. As the plates shifted, I was pushed upward, away from the crushing depths and toward the thin, cold crust. I left the high-pressure zones and entered the world of water and wind. My deposition. Torn from the mother rock by a mountain stream, I became a boulder. A nameless gray stone in a Myanmar riverbed. I spent eons there, masked by a brown skin of oxidation, weathered, unremarkable, dead. But inside, the green fire was waiting. Then came the excavation. A human hand found me, but humans are suspicious creatures. They brought me to the light for the trial. They tested my specific gravity, weighing me in air, then water, calculating my density, 3.24 to 3.43 solid. Real. They checked my refractive index at 1.66. They shone light into my heart to test my diaphaneity. Was I imperial? A trapped drop of the ocean? Or was I opaque, sit? They used spectrometers to find my fingerprints, the chromium that gives me my vivid green hue. I am not dyed. I am raw chemistry. Once my identity was proven, the violence began. To become a gemstone is a second birth, as painful as the first. The diamond saws bit into my skin, but I did not crack. They ground me against wheels of silicon carbide, sanding away eons of weathering. They buffed me with cerium oxide until my luster changed from dull to vitreous, a glass-like shine. I was shaped into a cabochon, a smooth, rounded dome. I don't need 1,000 cuts to be beautiful. I only need to be seen. I have reached my final destination. I am no longer a specimen. I am a legacy, wrapped in 18-karat gold, sitting against the warmth of your skin. It is a flickering heat compared to the mantle, but I find I enjoy it. I have traveled from the dark subduction zones to the brightest ballrooms. You will wear me for a lifetime, perhaps two. You will tell your children stories of my value. But remember this, I was here long before you were a thought in the mind of the universe. And when your gold has melted and your civilizations have returned to the dust, I will still be here. I am Jade. I am the immortal green.